I may I may dabble in what may be called data scraping. I don't know. But I'll try because okay, for this, I will be looking at okay, let's call it this. Let's call it like this is actually not correct. This is not correct because okay, I should be able to search in um a specific zip code um and then search by drink or search multiple drinks at minimum. So first what happens instead of data scraping the entire internet for every bar in the world that has ever existed, just search it by zip code right now so it isn't crazy expensive. I think that would be the best way. I think. I'm not sure. Let me wait. I think I may have to rethink how I'm building this app. I may dabble in what may be called data scraping, but I only want to scrape the data from websites in a specific zip code entered by the user. And from there, they can search for a certain kind of alcoholic beverage that they want, whether it be hoop tea, Miller Lite, Bud Light, w- whatever they want. Have I been muted this entire time? Thank you for letting me know. Also, welcome. Oh gosh. Well, at least I know now. But thank you. I just didn't. I can't see the. Okay, there is a light, but because I'm like upward, I can't see that it was red. Okay, look how it goes. I didn't see that it was red. Whenever it's red, I'm muted. But thank you. And I don't think Mr. Chicken heard that I said thank you for the sub. It's the Elgato Wave 3. Elgato Wave 3. I like it so far. Since I got it, I haven't really had any problems with it. It's the best mic that I've had. Well, the only professional mic that I've had. So it's better than like a gaming headset or something. So yeah. I think I have good enough bass and whatnot. But how have you been? How have you been? Long time no see. Life or the mic? Or both? Mm, thank you. Thank you. I got the recommendation from a streamer that I watch. Like I didn't ask specifically, but he just like mentioned for like people that were like starting out as streamers or whatever or recording anything, a good base starter mic was this one, and it's like not that cheap or it's not that expensive. So, yeah. Yeah. Why is life awkward? Job stuff still? Has the situation gotten better? How so? Is not recommended as your primary strategy due to legal risks, technical challenges. It doesn't say anything about pricing, but maintenance nightmares, websites change frequently, poor data. Okay. The proven sustainable approach used by successful. What is this? What is this? Huh? Hmm. Interesting. Sure. Do they do that? No. Huh? Huh? I'm confused. What? Oh, this is all over the globe. Oh, yeah, never mind. Like, okay, my original prompt was like, anyway, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope the call goes well. Um, I'll check back in with you soon. just to see how everything's going because, like, I don't wanna bother you, but, like, I am curious. It's just you're a busy person. So, yeah. Okay, okay, I will. I will, I will. Yeah. Also, what is this? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's one thing I do need to work on is, like, talking more. I know there's a problem of mine. I'll figure it out. Just making sure I'm not muted still. But I'll figure it out. It's just yeah. Yeah. Um, user contributed with gamification, business partnerships, venues claim and manage their own listings, optional API, we're official. Okay. Your preferences to tailor the business model intent. This isn't a business yet. No. Is this a side or intended as a business? Kinda not. Are you open to changing venues for premium features, verify listing analytics? How about that? Yeah. Mm, let's do that. Mm, it's like three different questions in one, but okay. Um, MVP scope. What's most important for your first version? Just search. Search. And, Dode. Search by zip code. Um, How does this look? Search by zip code. Hmm. Four. Uh, hmm, don't carry that beverage. Oh, wait, I'm thinking about something. How it would be stored because, like, say for example, on like, okay, what would this be? Like right here. Say for example, the name for this is really weird. Not really weird. It makes sense. But like it's not gonna have like a specific name for every bar. Like, how can I say it? This twisted tea, someone could just search for twisted tea, but like they're not gonna search the original part, if that makes sense. So yeah. Include menu details, prices, availability. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that because that would include tracking it. Okay, wait. And like I don't know how to keep it constantly updated with how they update their prices or like what type of like happy hour menus stuff. Like there's too many different variables that can change like at the drop of a hat. Um let's try that. All this makes sense. At least I'm getting a plan together. So that then the next time that I get back to this, I'll know exactly. Whoa. Set up Firebase authentication, Google sign in, blah, 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 blah. Create for efficient queries. Um, okay, and then add verification status. What's up? Zip code search implementation. Integrate that. The free tier. That makes sense. Add Geo Firestore. Geo Firestore. What the heck is that? Add location service with zip coordinates. Nearby venue search. Add configurable radius filter. Okay. Crap. Huh. Okay. I like the phase one so far. I'm currently in plan mode and cannot create files. However, I can present the plan to exit plan mode. And then once you're approved, I can save that exit plan mode so I can implement that. Or stay in plan mode if you want to discuss it further. The save file wouldn't include that, all that. Yeah, 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 yeah. But then my next move, yes. Now my next move. Oh, crap. I missed that text. Um, to tear this thing down, delete this and only go off of this, but merge. It's like, that makes sense. Now, let me look at what this has in the database because, like, looking down here. Oh, crap. Yeah, looking down here. Yeah, whatever. Um, I don't see, like, what I should be seeing. Yeah, I don't see it. What the heck? Hmm. Like the title of the app, I don't see it in there, even though they do have it. I don't see it in the available drinks section. Hmm. Okay, okay. Are you gonna make it or not? Hello? What the heck? Fine. I like that though. Hmm. Mm-mm. I think I may have to think about this some more. Yeah, I may have to think about this some more. Mm, okay. Well, later? Hmm? Later?